Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on what is actually a cash tag or where can you use the cash tag in Cash App. So a cash tag or a cash tag is a unique username starting with a $sign that act as a personal identifier within the Cash App to send and receive money privately and securely. Now you use it by including a $sign in the recipient field to send money or by sharing a unique cash tag so others can send money to you. Now this thing you created when you created when you were actually creating your account. So during the last confirmation stage, you could find a cash tag. So you could go ahead and customize it, or you could also find a suggestion which you could use it. And then you'll have successfully created the cash tag. Now, cash tag will be able to get your identifications, or you could send it to a receiver and they can send you a money through cash tag as well. So this has to be unique, it has to be different from individuals. So what you could do is, if you want to find cash tag in your Cash App, then you just need to open the Cash App application and log in. After which, just press on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner. And there you have these cash tag in the top left corner of your screen. Over here, as you could see, this is it. And this is where you could find your cash tag and you could share it with a person that is actually sending you money. And that is how you'll be able to use cash tag. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.